Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah, Poet Spice here for the Christmas in July collab, which is being hosted by Gracie21. Yay! As you all know, Christmas is one of my, well, let me not lie, Christmas is my favorite holiday of all time, even more so than my birthday, because my birthday usually sucks as far as like festivities go. So anyway, woohoo! Christmas in July collab. Christmas in July collab. Now I wanted to have a fancy little Christmas intro and whatever, but my computer and phone are acting stupid, so we're just gonna go with it. Let me go ahead and get it started. You saw my kit for Christmas stuff, which was like only about 50% of my Christmas stash. I'll try to link that here in the cards up there and try to link it in the box below. Also, I have a playlist for Christmas stuff all year for this year, and this video will be in that playlist as well. All right, let me go ahead and get started. Quit rambling. Number one, let's go with the first set. These are the supplies I used for this. Some of it I went old school. So you know how you have these little wavy scissors and so forth. My mom got me a huge set of these from Hobby Lobby one year for Christmas, so I used two of them. I used the wave and the mini scallop. And so, you know, don't forget about your low-tech stuff, because every now and then it comes in handy. I had this old gold marker, so I used that. I had some gold glitter glue from Studio G. I use these Tailored Expressions Grumplings. They crack me up. And it has dies, of course. Use this die set. And I use the 7 Gypsies pad. Okay. So, I created some embellishment pieces or squares. And I did a set of 4. So here's this one. I cut 3 layers of the smallest smallest square and layered those up. There's the stamps. Oh, I forgot this die too. I used this Christmas die, this Christmas tree die, in the little embossing folder to go with it. So there's those trees in the packages. And of course I use my Spectrum Noirs to color it up. And then you see the glitter glue. You know I don't do matchy-matchy. Here's this one. You think Santa does this all by himself? And then so forth. Here's this other one. I love their faces are so funny. And I thought it was even funnier because here's the word joy. It says on strike, and his face are hilarious. And then this one. I think Santa does this all by himself. So you can see those little trees in the background, and I went and put glitter glue on things. Okay. So that's the one set. I guess you could call them artist trading squares. Somebody asked me in the group, they're 3.25 by 3.25. So they're actually pretty large. Okay, then the next set of things I made 2 cards using my stash. I had purchased these pearl finish cards for $1. I was like, yes, it was $1 or $1.50. So for these, and they're 5x7s. And then I used my Debbie Moore Christmas kit that I had shown. And the thing about this is you have to fussy cut all these pieces. So I spent time fussy cutting them, and you can see the whole package here, and then gluing them down. And I had gone through this before. So I'll show you the 2 cards that I made using that. Okay. First, I made this one. So just there's the envelope, pearlized envelope. And this is a double folded back card. So it's 5x7. You can see the Debbie Moore. The one thing about her stuff is it's so detailed and ornate. You really don't have to do much adding of extra stuff. You can, but you don't have to. So here's the piece. Had to cut that out. This little happy holidays. Aren't they so glamorous? And then you open it like this. So then on the inside, so say these fold back. So normally you would have like this. And you can't do, well, I can do that one like that instead, but it's a fold back card. So when you open it, it looks like this on the inside. And so I cut this piece out here and cut that one out. And then trim down the papers, 2 different papers to make the Christmas card. And you could write a message here if you wanted to, or you could put it on the back with one of these flaps. Okay, so there's that, and of course I'll put handmade by. So I made that one. Let me move this out the way. And then the last card I made, same pearlized cardstock, and I used a different color scheme. So there's this one. And once again, I had to fussy cut this, and this was actually a decoupage sheet, so you can see that it actually has 3 layers on here. So this one is popped up on foam tape. Then I had to cut this, cut these down, cut the papers down again, and it's the same type of card, a double fold back card. That's what it looks like on the inside. And you can write your message right here if you wanted to. So those 2 pieces of paper used. And there's that. And then the back is pearlized again. And once again, you could write your message in here somewhere if you wanted to do that to save the paper. So those are my Christmas items for this week, and we will be back again next week. So go check out the other ladies and those who are participating, and I shall see you later. Merry Christmas in July.